What's up, YouTube? This is a Mechanic of God. I have a 2007 Honda Ridgeline right here. Honda Ridgeline. You see all those mess water. That's the water from the radiator. Guys, I have this Ridgeline coming in. It's you see the oil? That oil smells burning. It's really bad. Smells burning. And I'm gonna remove that transmission and put another one, because when you start the car, it drives for like I would say for like 50 minutes. I would say like 50 seconds. Sorry, 50 seconds. After that, it will stop. If you want the car to move again, you have to shut it off and start it again. And when you start it, it will drive again and stop. You know, it will gear front, it will gear front, and will gear reverse, but it will stop. So I have another one. I'm just gonna replace it because as I see, I changed the oil. That's a new transmission oil from the dealer, and look what happened. I take that solenoid off. That's the solenoid. I remove it. So guys, I can show you how the oil looks like. So like I said, this is a 2007 Honda Ridgeline. You know, I mostly fix Ridgeline only, guys, because I have a lot of Ridgeline that I'm fixing. I have another one here, which is, you can see, it's a white one. And I have another one. There that I have to fix. So every time I bring a video, guys, I will share the video with you guys, so that way, you know, we have an idea what's going on. It's the best car. It's the best car. It's the best Honda engine and transmission they ever made. The engine is good, the transmission is good, but when it's bad, you know, there's nothing we can do. The head, like I have another video for the head. It's just like that's the way it is. But I'm gonna remove the transmission and put another one, and we're ready to go. So like I'll show you guys, if you see something like that, that means your transmission is gone. It's gone. All you have to do, take it off and get another one, put it in. Or you can take it to the shop and they can rebuild the transmission for you. But you know, the transmission go to the like 300,000 miles on it, so it should be good. You can get another one. It doesn't matter if you have 150, 180,000 miles, 200,000 miles, they're still running. So guys, this is it. 2007 Honda Ridgeline transmission change. All right guys, thanks.